Hi students, I am Arun Singh, your English teacher. Let's discuss today from literature section, first flight, chapter 7. The topic is glimpses of India. Dear students, what is glimpses means? Glimpses means it is a partial view, isn't it? It's a partial view of India, yes or no? So today we will discuss a glimpses of India, that means in partial view of India. Which are the parts from India? That is Goa and then Karnataka and then Assam. So this glimpses of India is divided into three parts or three topics. That is a baker from Goa by Lucio Rodriguez. A second, Kurg by Lopez Abrol. And third, tea from Assam by Arup Kumar Datta. Dear student, let's discuss the first topic, that is a baker from Goa. So when you speak about the topic baker from Goa, it is a pen portrait of the traditional village Goan baker. What is the pen portrait means? So pen portrait means it's something thinking about somebody's attitude, behavior or lifestyle, we say. That is called pen portrait. So it is a pen portrait of the traditional Goan village baker. It is all about the baker. It is the topic, the baker from Goa. It is discussed about the baker and the villagers. Two things we will discuss from here: a people from Goa and the village baker. Yes or no? So these two we will be discussing. Dear students, a village from Goa, it is still remembered by the people. Though when the Portuguese were staying in the Goa, it was like a very interesting days. When someone comes from outside, they will naturally what is called influence their culture, their behavior, their lifestyle, their language, everything they will what is called influence others. Yes or no? The Portuguese, they came and settled down in Goa. Their culture was influenced to all the people of Goa. Yes or no? So the what is called here, the writer says, Lucio Rodriguez says that a padre or the baker they were telling that a padre. Yes or no? So baker was like a friend, a companion or a guide. What is that friend means? Friend means हम लोग बोलते हैं क्या, दोस्ती बोलते हैं, yes or no? Companion, साथियों बोलते हैं, yes or no? Guide, it is like a what is a teacher, yes or no? Teacher. So the baker was like a companion, like a friend, and like a what is that? Guide, it seems. So the writer Lucio Rodriguez says he was like a what is that? Friend. He was like a companion. He was like a guide. So that is why we still remember, though the Portuguese have left from Goa, or though they have gone from Goa, still we remember those days. Elders often think fondly of good Portuguese days and their famous loaves of bread. The people of Goa, still they are remembering those Portuguese days. Though they have left, though they have gone, but then their lifestyle, their behavior, their attitude, everything is remembered by the people of Goa, isn't it? So they are remembering now. So the elders, the what is called old people, they are still fondly, very lovingly they are remembering. Got it? So those days they were famous loaves, yes or no? The loaves, the bread, what they were eating was very tasty, very sweet, and very famous it was. The age-old furnace still exists, and a baker bake bread, isn't it? The place where they used to what is called bake bread, that is called furnace. It's a place where people they make bread, yes or no? Furnace. So the furnace is still existing, yes or no? The furnace is still existing in the Goa. People have already left. The Portuguese they have left, but then the furnace is still existing, and the bread making also is still continuing, and the baker also is still present. Got it? So that is what the people they are remembering. So what happens, you see, the third and the jingle of the baker's bamboo announcing his arrival, which is coming, can still be heard in some places. So how the baker was coming, you know? He was having a bamboo stick. on right, and the other side he was having what is called bread basket, and he was coming like this. Got it? He was coming like this. So the thud and jingle. What is a thud means? A big sound. It is like a big sound, and jingle, a musical sound out of a bamboo stick. He was making like this. He was making sound. He was producing a musical sound, and he was entering to the village. Got it? So it was a very nice entry for him, and people, they were very much what is called happy by hearing the musical entry of the baker. So the student, what is called, the children of the village all used to peep towards to the what is called bread baker or the bread sellers. So they were all running to the bakers, isn't it? For why they were running? They were not running for the bread loaves. Got it? The children were not running towards the bread loaves or bread baskets. Rather, they were running for the bread bangles. You know what is bangles means? Women, they wear on their hand, yes or no, like ring type it is. That is called bangles. So the bread which was made like a ring, it is called the bread bangles. So those what is called children, they used to, as soon as they hear the musical entry of the bakers, they run towards the baker in the morning itself. Then the breads were what is called delivered to the servants, yes or no, women or servants of each family or the houses. Then the what is called writer says that it was not needed to brush teeth. Just those days, the people, they used to what is called break the mangoes leaves or mango sticks, and they used to brush. But it was time taking. It was like a painful. Nowadays, what we do? Just we take out the brush and we add it a paste, and just we are brushing, isn't it? But those days it was not like that. So that is why what he says, with the hot tea itself, you can just eat the bread and it will be washed away. The hot tea will wash away all the dirty things what is in our teeth, isn't it? That is what the what is called writer says. So even today, these bakers are known as padar in Goa. The what is called bakers are still present there. The eaters are left, but the bakers are there because it is a descendant. What is called profession? Yes or no? It is a descendant profession. That means if father is working as a baker, then his son continues. In the family, people, they continue the business or the professions. So in the Goa, the baker was known as he was known as a padar in the what is called Goa. Yes or no? In old days, the children ran to meet and greet the baker. Old days, when Portuguese were there, in old days, those times, what happened? The children used to run peep towards the bakers in order to collect their bangles. Yes or no? Bread bangles. Got it? So they longed for bread bangles and sweet bread of special make. So the baker used to bring different kinds of sweets bread. Yes or no? Different kinds of sweet bread. That is why the children used to what is called run towards the baker. So marriage gifts are still considered or considered meaningless without the sweet bread known as bol. Yes or no? Whenever what is called marriage ceremony takes place, what happens? The bowl, that is called sweet bread. It is known as sweet bread, that is bowl. Without the bowl, the marriage ceremony was incomplete, to say. Yes or no? It was like a meaningless, you say. Yes or no? It was like a meaningless, unless and until they have the sweet bread, that is bowl. They were not feeling it was a what is called a good ceremony, or it was a marriage gifts. Yes or no? So then you need to have a sweet bread, that is bowl. Then they feel very much happy. Yes or no? So it is customary that the lady of the house prepare sandwiches on the occasion of their daughter's engagement or marriage. Yes or no? Whenever what is called in the Goa village, whenever there is an engagement takes place of their daughter, then the ladies of the house, they prepare, what they prepare? Sandwiches they prepare, isn't it? They have to have this thing, what is called sweet bread, like bowl. Also they make sandwiches. It is a crispy and tasty bread. Yes or no? So cakes and bolihans are a must for Christmas and other festivals. So whenever there is festivals like Christmas and other festivals are there, then what happens? Cakes and bolihans, a special sweet bread. A special sweet bread. This all are, it is a must, it seems. It is a compulsion, obligations. They need to have this, what is called sweet bread. The presence of the baker's furnace in the village absolutely essential, isn't it? Why it is essential? Because they are used to it. Yes or no? They are used to bread loaves, the sweet breads. So that is why they need to have the presence of the baker's furnace in the village. So they should have a bakers to continue to produce more and more what is called loaves. Yes or no? Bread loaves. So they will enjoy eating. Got it? The bakers in the old days used to wear a dress known as a kabai itself. Yes or no? Means it from shoulders to knee, up to shoulders to knee, a long sleeve they used to wear. Who used to wear? The baker, the father used to wear on old days. When in old days he used to wear, what is that? The dress name is in? The dress name is called kawai. Got it? A baking was quite profitable profession in the old days. Yes or no? By seeing the people lifestyle, well, they are prosperous, very happy. By seeing those things, you can make out the students that they are what is called happy people or poor people, or rich people or poor people, isn't it? So that is what we can make out. So baking was a quite profitable profession. It was, it seems. Why? Because those people, the bakers, used to seem like look like very plum-hearted or plum-fizzy, we say. Yes or no? That means they were looking like a plum, what is called jackfruit. Got it? He was looking like a jackfruit. Like means a big or fat body, that is called. Yes or no? Big and a fat body, that is called, what is that? Plum-fizzy. Got it? So they were quite profitable. It was quite profitable professions. If one is getting more profit, definitely he will eat more and more, and he will become very fat, isn't it? So that is what happening. So they were looking very fat, very what is called plum-fizzy body. Yes or no? The bakers and his family always looked happy and then prosperous. Since the profession was profitable, that is why they were all happy and prosperous. Who were? The baker's family. So baker's family, they were all happy and they were all prosperous. Got it? Right. So monthly bills end of the month. The monthly bills was collected in the end of the month. That means the baker, what he used to do, he used to just write it down on the walls of the what is called village. So whenever the month ends, the end of the month he used to collect. So that is all about the interesting topic, a baker from Goa. Dear students, I hope all of you enjoyed it and understood. Till then, bye. Thank you very much. Thank you, student.